Hello fan collectors, Braxton Vintage Fanman here. So what we got here today is a tyeb ceiling fan. That's actually what this is. I figured this out. Special thanks to Metal Pete for helping me out with the brand on this, because I really didn't know at first. But anyways, the main focus about it is demonstration, obviously. Anyways, so this is a tyeb 52-inch fan, or not fan, 52-inch ceiling fan. Yeah. Don't even know the year at all. I'm gonna guess like the early 80s, late 70s, early 80s. Maybe mid 80s, I don't know. But yeah. So you guys may remember this thing on Thanksgiving of 2021, I think. No, it was 2020. But yeah. For those that remember, the pull chain goes fan plus light, then just light, then just fan, and then both off. For those that remember that. And for those that remember this thing, yeah, it's quite odd. So, the variable speed's set on low. Let's start off with light. And let's do... There we go. There's low. Put the turn on light. And then, what's new about it is I put in a new reverse switch, which is for a reason. That and a new variable speed knob. The variable speed, the original one decided to fry on me. I don't know how that happened, but it just decided to fry. So I think it was because of the reverse switch that caused that to happen. That's probably what that is. Other than that, it's pretty cool though. So that's why I changed out the reverse switch too, so. Quarter turn. It's like a medium-ish speed. Come on. Stay focused. Got a tire right there, so let's turn it down a little bit. Pretty good fan though. As you may notice, I mounted it in a different way. Mounted it to the floor joist, which is that's the best way I can do it to keep it mounted or keep it from hanging very low. Cause like I can barely hit my head on it. Maybe I don't think I even can actually. Oops. Let's put it on high. Pretty good fan though. Decent air mover. What I gotta say. And spin down. It also has that bell canopy that these things are known for, I think. I don't know. Either way, I got this thing from Restore back in 2020. I know it was shortly after I started this channel. Yeah. Hell, I'm happy with it. Still going. Trying to find a good spot. And there's my original Vic and the silver line in the same area with those three. Zero to high in reverse. There we go. Let's do that. I very rarely run this thing in reverse though, because of I'm kind of scared that the screw's gonna fall out. Still moving some air regardless. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, have a rest of your day, folks, and peace.